Hi friends, today we are going to study square root by division method. Okay, the first step is starting from the right, that is from the ones digit, make pairs and put a bar on each pair. This is the first step. So shall we do one exercise? 784. Okay, this is the number. So what we will do first, starting from the right, that means this is right place. From the ones digit, make the pairs and put a bar on each side. So what we will do, we will do a bar. This is pair, understood? This is not pair, is it? If the number of the digit is odd, then put a bar on the leftmost single digit also. Thus we have 7 over here. We should put a bar on 7. Understood? Next, we will do division method. This is the division method. Okay. First, what we will do, find the largest number whose square is less than or equal to number under the extreme left bar. That is 7 over here. So, we will take the square of 1. 1 square means 1. Then next we will take 2. 2 square means 4. Is it? Next we will take 3. Let us guess. We can guess as much as. Okay. So, 2 square. 2 square means 4. Then we will take 3 square. 3 square is 9. So, 7 is bigger than 9. So, we can't do it. So, what we will take? 2 square. Shall we write over here? 2 over here. Okay. Then, in the quotient also, we will write 2. Understood? Then, 2 square means what will come? 4. Is it? So, 7 minus 4. Next step is 7 minus 4. Subtract this number. 7 minus 4 is 3. This much you understood? So, this portion finished. Next, what we will do? Bring down the number under the next bar. Under the next bar, which number is there? This is 84 here, is it? So, we will put to the right of the remainder. So, the new dividend is 384. Understood? The next step is, our quotient is 2, is it? Double the quotient and enter it at the divisor's place. Divisor's place always come on the left with the blank space. Understood? So, double the quotient means quotient is 2. So, double it means 4 it will come. Okay. So, the next is guess. There is one number over here. If we put that number, we will get the perfect square over here. So, what we will do? Guess a largest possible digit to fill the blank space, which will also become a new digit in the quotient, such that when the new divisor is multiplied by new quotient. So, in this number 384, 84 ends with a 4. So, we will know that the number is ends with a 4 means it will come maybe 2 square or 8 square, because 2 square is 4 and 8 square is 64. Shall we guess and multiply over the working column? So, 4, 2. This is guess. Okay. Multiplied this number into 2. So, 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. We got 84 only. So, this number is too small. So, another guess. Okay. This is 4. Another guess is 8 multiplied into 8. So, what we will get? 8 8s are 64. 6 carry over. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 6, 384. So, we got the answer. That is 48 into 8. So, we got the number over here. Guess number is 8. So, this is 8. Then what we will do next? So, the new digit in the quotient also we will write. Okay, we will write in the quotient. So we should write 8 over here. Understood? So 48 into 8 we will get 384. So subtract it. So we will get a number subtracted from the same number. Answer will be 0. So the final answer is square root of 784 equals, what is the quotient? 28. This is the answer. Understood? Next we will do another question. Find the square root of 1225. Okay. So what we will do first? We should write like this, 1225. Okay. And put like this division bar. Okay. The next step is place a bar over every pair of digits starting from the right. So shall we put, here is one pair and here is another pair. Okay, we got two pairs over here. Then next step is take the first one. Find the largest number whose square is less than or equal to the number under the left bar. So we will find 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is equal to 4 and 3 square is equal to 9, 4 square is equal to 16. So 4 square is not possible. Shall we write 3 square? Okay. This is 3 over here and the quotient we will write 3. Understood? So 3 square equals 9. The next step is we should subtract from 12 minus 9. What we will get? 12 minus 9 is 3. Understood? Bring it down the number under the next bar. Here 25 is over here to the right of the remainder. So shall we write over here? This is 325. This is the new dividend. Understood? So what we will do next? Next, look at the quotient. That is 3. Double the digit in the quotient and enter with a blank to the right. So double it and write here 6. The quotient is 3. We will get 6. So here one guessing is here. Okay. Guess a largest possible digit. So we double the quotient. That is 6. So next step is guess the largest possible digit to fill the blank space, which is also become a new digit in the quotient. Understood? So our dividend is 325. So ends with 5. So without any doubt we can say that the number is 5. Understood? So shall we do it in the working column? So guessing number is 5 multiplied into 5. We will get 5 5s are 25. 2 carry over. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 2, 32. Okay, shall we write in the page? So in the blank space we will write 5. This number we will write in the quotient also. So we will write 5 over here. Understood? So 65 into 5 we will get 325. So subtract from this number we will get 0. Understood? So the square root of 1225 equals, what is the quotient? 35. Understood? This is very easy. So all the students should practice this one. First I showed 3-digit number. Then we studied the 4-digit number also. Understood? In this way we are doing square root by division method. Next we will do another one. Find the square root of 10,05626. Okay. So this is how many digit? This is 6-digit number. Okay. Shall we do this one? This is the number. Okay. What we will do? Make the pairs. So this is the pair. This is another one. And this is another one. So put division bar. Okay. First we will take 10. 10 is in which square? 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. So we will write 3 square. The left side and the quotient also. Okay. 3 square is 9. So subtract. 10 minus 9 is 1. Bring it down another pair, that is 56 over here. So the total dividend is 156. So next step is what? Look at the quotient and double the quotient. Okay, here is 3 and double the quotient is 6. So we will get one number over here. So we will multiply the working column. 61 into 1, we will get 61. 62 into 2, we will get 124. So next one, 63 into 3, we will get 189. 189 is a greater number, is it? So we will take this one, 62 into 2. So here 2 and the quotient also we will write 2. Understood? Here we will write 62 2s are 124. Subtract this number, we will get 2, 3, 32. Is it? Take on the another pair, that is 25. Next is, look at the quotient and double the quotient. Quotient is 32, double it, we will get 64. Then put blank space, guess the largest possible digit. So we will we have no doubt about it. The number is ends with a 5. We can say that this number is 5. Is it? So 6 4 5 into, we will write the quotient. Quotient as 5 over here. So we will write 645 into 5. We will get 3225. Is it? Subtract this number. We will get 0. So the square root of this number is 325. Understood? So children, do well and practice. Thank you.